value of development takes place at rehab and recovery pillar actually of the disaster risk reduction and management. We're even happier this time because we are crafting our new plan for the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan, and it was already adopted, and it has taken into account all the provisions following the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Plan, which outline most of your priorities for Ready to Rebuild. The rehab and recovery is really important as it encompasses a lot of things, not only for infra, for structures, but it also talks about social services, livelihood, and even the well-being of our beneficiaries. We are going to somehow maximize in our own context the lessons gathered from this experience.